To see a modern-day mechanical pocket watch is not particularly common, but this unique set from Hamilton is truly exciting. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today we're looking at something a little bit different. It doesn't strap on your wrist, but it is still a watch. We've got a lovely Hamilton Pocket Watch Special Edition in from the brand. But before we dig into its details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel to catch all of our upcoming videos. This railroad pocket watch from Hamilton comes in a very cool box and is an extremely unique box set with the watch, a leather sleeve, and a nice chain. The watch release comes as an effort from Hamilton to revive its roots in American timekeeping, and the railroad timekeeping system was a huge part of their history. This is a limited edition timepiece of 917 pieces, getting its historical significance from the old address for the Hamilton production factory. The watch is also special, being released 130 years after the original model it's modeled after in 1892. Visually speaking, it's a very interesting watch as well. It has a gorgeous, stark white dial with perfectly contrasting black hands and indices. There are also some red notations at every 5-minute marker surrounding the dial. It does have a small second subdial. Getting hands-on with this pocket watch, the construction quality and modern construction is very evident. The crown at the 12 o'clock marker is easy to operate the movement. It is a manual wind caliber manufactured by ETA, and it does have smooth winding using that crown. Like I said before, it does have a small seconds feature, which I really enjoy and fits the theme, and of course, a lovely sapphire crystal. The case is predominantly polished stainless steel and fits the overall aesthetic. The case back is very special. It has the engraving of the 130th Anniversary Railway Special and that really neat Hamilton railcar motif in the center. The old school Hamilton logo is found in the center, and underneath is the limited edition number of 917. The detailing and finishing on this engraving is truly top tier, and it looks much more expensive than you would expect at a $1,400 price tag. We also have a Hamilton signed crown on this model, which is a nice touch. The manual wind caliber found inside this watch operates in standard fashion. When you open that crown up to the second position, you're able to set the time on this watch. Overall, this is a fun twist on an enjoyable hobby for most of us. It does get focused on wristwatches, but it's fun to dig deep in the catalog and remember where this all began with the pocket watch. This is a gorgeous one, a really cool modern interpretation of a historical model, and fits the brand. For watch enthusiasts and collectors, something a little bit different is always welcome and exciting, and I really appreciate Hamilton giving us this in modern times. If you'd like to purchase this watch, please reach out to us directly as they are limited in number. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.